In this video, we will see how to load files and run it by using Google Colab. The first step is you should open your drive and you should upload all your files and which you want to run by using Google Colab. So I will show you by running only poly.csv which I have already uploaded. This is Google Collaboratory. This platform is very similar to your Jupyter Notebook. Now those who work with their Jupyter Notebook for their machine learning projects, assignments, tasks, etc., they will find this platform very useful. The reason is because whenever you work with a huge data set in your local system, you may find sometime that it become very hard to handle a huge data. Now what Google has done, it has provided you this platform which has a capability to run your Python code. So first we will import pandas as pd, import mp, mp. Basically these two are the libraries of the Python. And now we just need to authenticate our account, and for that the code is from google.colab import drive drive mount drive. Now I will execute this particular command. Now you can see this command. This command basically says from Google Colab, I'm going to import the drive. This drive basically means my Google Drive, and Google Drive path is G drive. Now we will run it. Here you see that this link. This is the link. You just need to click this link. On clicking the link, you will be asked to sign in to your account. So I will sign in my account. Once I go to my Google account, it is just ask for my approval. I will just click on allow. As you can see that I'm having this particular link. I have to copy this link and I have to paste it over here and enter it. This will take some time. Now the account has been authenticated. We will move towards the next step, and here we insert the path where our file exists. For that, file r drive drive college.csv college dot read csv file college dot. As you can see that the college.csv is located in the my drive. So this is the path, and the college.head mean this will give us the first 5 values of our data set. So we will run it. Here is the mistake. We run it. So you can see that the data is now available here. These are the rows and columns. We have the attributes of the shape to view the number of rows and columns. So here we insert college dot shape. As you can see that we have 7535 columns, rows and 27 columns. And if you write college dot tail, this will give the last 5 values. These are the last 5 values. Also, if you want to find the median, so you simply write college dot median and run it. Here is the median. So if you want to find mean, just simply write college dot mean. Here is the mean. So basically in this video we learn how to import file and run it on Google Colab.